how to use and redeem PayPal gift cards. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the PayPal application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the wallet option you see there and further tap on the link a debit or credit card option. Now, select the link a card manually option and further enter the gift card information and tap on the link card button, and with this, your gift card will be redeemed. Note that sometimes you might run into an error trying to add a gift card to your PayPal account as a payment method because gift cards lack personal identifiers, unlike traditionally issued credit cards. So, this is how you can use and redeem PayPal gift cards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.